Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
And for it. Today, they have used gun, barrels of bullet, and all that, barrels of gun and bullet to stop us from protesting on the street. We cannot go out again to exercise our civil right. So we are going to take it by force. And taking it by force is coming. And we are targeting the ball. We are not going to waste our time, going to do all this nonsense. Because what they are trying to do now is to use this political movement, the criminals that we have expelled, which are political movement. That is why you see them killing our gallant men. Gallant men who actually was thinking that they were being recruited to fight for Biafra, only for them to stand on Biafra. And in the absence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they started killing, eliminating them. Because the people that they recruited into ESN were recruited to protect Biafra and prevent Fulani from killing our people. Today, they are telling them, we are now at the crossroad where we are going to be what we are. And those people, didn't understand it that way. Commanders of the ESN, many ESN personnel, they were like, we are fighting for Biafra. I have come to fight Biafra. So why are you telling me to do this? Why are you telling me to do that? Today, they started killing them because these people did not know that the Biafra that these DOS criminals were preaching to them were fake. That is what I want to tell you people today. It's a fake Biafra. It's fake. It's not real. They were never real in Biafra. It is today that the Autopilot IPOB, and that is why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is shouting for 100 men. The 100 men Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is shouting for is the 100 men that will get to Biafra. 100 men that will stand with him and fight for Biafra. And believe me, I will beat my chest today and say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have more than 100 men in Autopilot. And you can see it happening. So some of you, that even some of you, the coordinators, that they are sacking here and there, and you are wondering, what did you do? You ask question, they sack you. What did you do? You continue to ask yourself a question. Why are they sacking me? What did I do? Do you know what you did? What you did is that you did not realize that you are fighting a fake Biafra. You did not realize that you are in a political movement. You did not realize that the people that you are following are fake. Complete fake. That is why some of them will have the impetus to call us name. Why? You don't know who they are. But Nigerian government know them. Have you asked yourself? Some of you, coordinator, you cannot pick phone and call the criminal Chinas Anworu and you know who he is. You cannot pick phone and call the criminal Ima Powerless. You don't know who he is. But in Nigeria, politicians are calling them. They have their number. They know who they are. But you in the movement, you don't know them. They were all recruited and they entered Ipob for political gain and political movement. And today, it has become a normal thing. When we say there is no election, they say, is it not them? No worry. Every 4 years, they tell you no election, no election. Yet, they will come back and tell you, go and vote. We have done this, we have done that. It is because they push Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He has nobody that will stand by him for many years. You know how they have come to me? Do you know how they have come to me? They thought it is a business as usual. Let us see how you are going to do that business as usual. My happiness is that Biafra people who followed them with their heart, are now realizing that, I cannot follow these people again. No. I will have to follow the people that are really fighting for Biafra. They have come to understand that, is it not Biafra again? And let me tell you one thing. If you look at what they are, the nuisance they are constituting on social media, you'll be wondering, is it not, are these people fighting for Biafra again or not? they were never for Biafra. I told you, you have seen it from the Premium Time newspaper, that it is a political movement. Now, let us go there. So you see, they say a faction of the IPOB led by a Nigerian Finnish citizen, which is not me because I'm not a Nigerian. Simon Ekpa, for instance, has been threatening to disrupt election. And this is a lie because we don't want to disrupt election. We are not going to have election in Biafra land. So the only thing that made them say that IPOB and the Biafra agitation is gaining momentum in the Southeast is because of the autopiloted IPOB under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I am the spokesperson for Biafra. So there is no faction of Ipob. This IPOB autopilot is the real IPOB that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say it will take you 100 years to destroy IPOB. Today, they have kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and they have tried to destroy Biafra. Now, let us continue. They said there will be no election in Biafra land until there is possibility for a referendum. Mr. Ekpa reiterated in a tweet post on Thursday. Of course, they go to our Twitter to get the information. They go to our Twitter. They don't go to Twitter of people that are faceless. Another faction, they call another faction. Listen, another faction of Ipob led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And this is the wrong impression they are giving to the people. Another faction led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There is nothing like a faction led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And the IPOB autopilot is the original Ipob that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader. The only thing that we are saying and we are doing is that we are not going to take order from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from prison or from the DSS or from the detention. So everything we do is to see that we follow the ideology. And when he come out, he start from where we stop. As simple as that. That is what we say. And the reason we said it is because we don't want whatever action Biafrans are going to do. They will say, oh, it's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is doing it. No, he is not doing it. We have taken the agitation. We are taking the agitation to a new level. Where he left us, we have picked it up from there. And we're going to take it to a different level. It is either he is coming when Biafra is already actualized or restored, or he is coming out with Biafra. As simple as that. So we are taking the agitation from the level he left it to a different level. And that's what we are doing right now. So we are not going to take order from him. Does not mean that he's not the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. But because we don't want them to use anything that Biafra people are doing today against him in any way. And that is the fact. So let us continue.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.